I want to lose weight, eat healthier, and stop eating out. And it's tasted pretty good so far. Spend the day with me as I start my fitness journey. I have made at least 2 videos on this channel expressing the fact that I want to lose weight, eat healthier, and stop eating out. Today I'm starting the first steps in that journey, which I should have started 6 months ago because I think that's when the first video came out, when it came out with my New Year's resolution. But I have been busy. I've been trying to figure out my schedule, trying to figure out what I want to do. But ultimately, my goal is to lose 100 pounds. Recently, I have signed up for a gym membership through my job, but I have not been to the gym to get my keys and all that stuff set up. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm also taking y'all through some meal prep because I need to start cooking. Keep in mind, I don't know how to cook. So this is a learning experience for all of us to go through together because I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going through the motions, and hopefully this will inspire you to make your moves too, because it is literally 9:30 on a random Tuesday and I'm starting. So with that being said, we are going to the gym. I think I'd take my nephew with me though, because I'm babysitting today. I'm on the way to the gym. If I'm being honest, I literally have no workout plans. I have none of that's like thought up, situated. This is just a current thing that like I wanted to do but have no plan. So I'm just jumping into it. You know what I mean? And with that being said, I just know like a small goal of mine. Well, I don't know if it's small or big, but I just know that I want to walk at least 20,000 steps a day, which is not that hard considering I already do around like 10,000 a day. And I also want to stop eating out. I don't know any exercises. You know what I mean? I have never stepped foot in the gym. Well, that's a lie. I went to the gym twice before in my life. I was around 19, 20 years old, and I was only going because my friends were going. And I figured it wasn't my thing. But now that I'm getting older and like weight doesn't fall off like how it used to when I was a little bit younger, I'm about to put an effort. I'm about to become a gym rat. And I expect to be built like Megan Thee Stallion by next week. That's my goal. You gotta aim big. No, I'm just playing. Like, I know it's gonna take some time for me to like actually start seeing the results of the gym. I know most people, it takes them about a year. I don't know. I just know I want to lose weight, and it's because like I'm already like I'm 6'5". You probably can't tell through the videos. I am 6'5". I weighed myself this morning, and I am 371 pounds. I can't believe I'm putting my business out there on the internet like that, which I really don't mind how much I weigh, because like I would tell people in person, they always be like, oh, you don't look that big and all this other stuff. But like, I feel it. I just want you to know I feel it. Like, I did a vlog where I went to Universal Studios. I think it was Universal Studios. Yeah, I paid $260 something for that ticket to go and couldn't ride no rides because I didn't fit on them. Then also it's harder for me to find clothes. Like, the only clothes I can find that fits me looks like a 50-year-old man will wear, and that's not the vibe I'm trying to go for. I may be pushing 30, but I'm not 50. You know what I mean? So yeah, all these reasons that I'm looking to lose weight is literally for like mental, aesthetic, personal, you know, like it's not for anybody benefit but my own. I just used to look a certain way. I don't look that way anymore, and I want to get back to it. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, but like, and then like when it comes to meal prepping, I guess I'm just going to have to get on TikTok and figure out like how to cook. I had a grocery delivery like sent to me this morning. We're gonna go through that later today, which when it came to that, like, since I don't know nothing about weight loss, I haven't done much research. I literally typed into ChatGPT, make me a grocery list with like a weekly like of $100 budget. And I asked it to be like weight loss focused. And like the stuff I got, I might could do something with. Like, I got chicken breast, I got salmon, I got broccoli, I got rice, and all that sounded like to me is hibachi. So like, I guess I'm gonna be learning how to make hibachi. Not really. It's just gonna be like a lot of chicken, rice, broccoli. I also got sweet potatoes, which I'm not a fan of, but like, we can try. I only got one. It told me to like get like a 3 or 4 pound bag, but I literally only got one just to try it, because like I was not about to spend all that money and get all that food and not like it, or you know what I mean? I don't know if I'm gonna vlog when I go inside of the gym. I would try. I'll bring the camera in there. Whether it'll be turned on and recording, I have no idea, because I live in a small town and people recording themselves is not a common thing here, which I really shouldn't fucking care. I have free will. I can do whatever I want. This is my life. I say that, but I probably still won't record. But I'm almost at the gym. So I'll see y'all when I get there or after. Y'all, I didn't record in there, but I just got back to the car. It was a fail. And let me tell you why. So allegedly, when I signed up for this thing at work, I didn't pick the right package. So like I had to go into my little thing, pick the right package, but it still wasn't the same. Like my little fitness pass number wasn't accepted. But she also said sometimes it takes like up to 2 to 3 days for it to like actually update and like be in the system or whatever. So she told me she'll give me a call when I can go pick up my key fob. I already got my name, my signature, all that. So I'm just waiting on my key fob so I can actually start going to the gym, which I wasn't planning on going to the gym today anyway because I do have to babysit. I tried, I took the steps. Now I'm about to go home, clean up a little bit, and then look up some recipes to start meal prepping. They're calling now, hold on. Hello? It just went through? Okay, good. I didn't even leave the parking lot yet. I'm coming back. All right, thank you. Change of plans. I can get my key fob. Yay! Be right back. She's secure. And so I will be more secure when I'm looking like Megan Thee Stallion. Cause yeah, put this on my key ASAP so I don't lose it. Oh, this girl parked too close to me. Let me go before she opens her door and slams my shit. Cause what the fuck you parked so close for? I need to get home. But it is now 10 o'clock. I'm about to go home and cook breakfast because that's what we do now. We cook. But like, I'm probably gonna have like a bagel. I wanted pancakes, but like, I don't think we have any syrup, or we don't have enough syrup for me and my nephew. So I'm about to go home, make me some coffee, make me some breakfast. Girl, there's a fucking mosquito in here. It's the middle of the morning. What is the mosquito doing out here? I'm so excited. I'm gonna clean up my room. I love having a fresh space and a fresh start. When I changed the battery in my camera, also I forgot to bring a fork, spoon, anything to eat with. So these eggs are about to be eaten with my hands. I don't care. Bagel, burnt. Burnt. I don't know if there's gonna be clips of me going to the gym this video, because like I said, I'm babysitting. My mom and my sister are at a funeral. Me personally, I don't do funerals. Sorry, I was traumatized as a kid by a funeral. And then like the whole concept of like being in a room looking at a dead body, I can't. It's always been weird to me. But I understand why there are funerals, you know? No disrespect to the dead. That's just not my zhuzh. I can't do it. Until I get ready to cook dinner or meal prep, cook my meal prep. But I'm actually proud of myself for like actually finally taking the initiative to do the things I've been talking about doing. And it starts with this. This is to build discipline. And I feel like all this is gonna transfer into my YouTube and it's gonna get me to where I wanna be. And I'm just excited about like documenting this whole process because I'll be able to look back on it and see how far I've came. And if y'all are on any type of journey, I encourage y'all to start. Whether it's a small start, a big start, any start is better. Any motion is better than no motion, because no motion, you're still gonna be in the same place wishing you were somewhere else. So you gotta start moving, whether it's big or small, you can do it. It's all up here thing. You just gotta change up here to change out here. You know what I mean? Your reality. And I'm documenting my process. You can document yours. And this bacon real crispy. I'm about to bite it next to the microphone. So But after I finish my breakfast, I'm gonna clean my room, look up some videos on like how to cook salmon and broccoli and rice. I might chop up a sweet potato or two. I only bought one, so like I might chop up that sweet potato just to see how it is. And then I plan on playing GTA for the rest of the day until later tonight when I can go to the gym because I got my fob. So I can go to the gym. It's a 24-hour gym. I can go at any time. I'll be up at all late hours of the night anyway. And I'm gonna exercise. And hopefully nobody's in there so I can film some content while I'm in there exercising. And I just plan on walking the treadmill. Gotta start somewhere. That's where I'm starting, walking the treadmill. And then as I see the weight losing off, cause like last time I lost weight, I had a lot of flappy skin and I wasn't in the gym. And I was like, why do I need to go to the gym when I'm losing weight at work? No, I need to get toned. Like I said, I'm trying to be built like Megan Thee Stallion by next week. It's 6 o'clock. It has come that time. And I'm cooking salmon, broccoli, rice. Keep in mind, I told y'all this earlier in the video, I do not know how to cook. So I'm about to get on TikTok and see if I can figure out something. And I'll get back to you when I start or when I tell you what I'm gonna do. So this video says I take 2 cups of rice, rinse it twice, then I add a cup. Hold on. Oh, so I guess it's equal parts rice, equal parts water. Sounds simple. Measuring cup. Add it to the pot. Now we rinse it. 2 cups of water. It says let they get to a boil. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm trying. Let's start with some salmon. Let me look up this. And when I'm looking up recipes for this stuff, I'm gonna cook it in the air fryer because like that's all I know how to work. And you gotta make sure you add black people at the end of it. She said salt, pepper, garlic powder. She also said onion powder, paprika. She said obey. I don't think we got paprika. I don't think we have paprika, so I'm gonna use some Tony. And she also said lemon pepper, but the lemon pepper we got, no bueno. I'm about to taste test this on camera for y'all. Not gonna lie, I've been snacking on it a little bit and it's tasting pretty good so far. I'm trying to salmon with some rice. You know, maybe I can cook. This is good. This is real good. Thank you, black people of TikTok. And that one white lady that showed me how to cook the broccoli. I've been missing out. And it only took me 30 minutes. And that's only because I didn't know what I was doing. But this is good. So I'm gonna eat my food. It is 11:36 and I am outside of the gym. I'm gonna get my fitness on. I told myself I was gonna do this. I'm gonna do it. I didn't want to come when there's a lot of people here. It looked like there might be 2 people here. That's good enough. Someone's walking across the parking lot. I'm scared. Let me get my ass in here.
it natural. Stay in your bag like you wearing satchels. Hey, baby, you a godsend, just missing the sandals. But still, you ain't missing much. Put your hands on my back, that's a different touch. Put your on my plate, I don't skip the lunch. I don't skip the brunch, not the dinner neither. And we hella close, not a centimeter. Getting in between is all you two turned up. Never turn down though, when it's big energy, when I come around though. So, don't ever switch. Know you been looking, won't find it like this. Know you been looking for the head of them curves. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. I'm Jimmy Johnson with this. That I attest, I'm like grinding it. Just cycle, I swim and I run. Whatever you need, I'll try out the line with it. Turn on the lights, take a flick. Just don't be running this shit. Hey, I can see you as my chick.
So there we have it. It is, can you see that? Almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I have shown you my whole day of someone who is trying to better their life, because that's what I want this channel to be focused on. Because right now I'm in a stage of my life where I'm just trying to be better. So hope you enjoyed. I don't have everything perfect yet, but I feel like it's the act of me trying that's gonna get me somewhere. Because you can't go forward if you're not moving at all, you know? I cooked today. I get the meal 8.5 out of 10. I signed up for the gym and also went, but I did that at 2 different times of the day. And right now, the gym experience, I give it a 5. I'm not the most excited for it. I was in there for almost, it was like an hour and a half I was in there. I walked the treadmill for an hour, and then I did like, well, I walked the treadmill for longer than an hour. It's longer than an hour. Then I did the little arm thing that you saw in the video. Chest workout. I did that before about 15 minutes. And then I drove home, took a shower, and here we are now. This is gonna be a series on my channel. I'm in the process of losing weight, trying to lose 100 pounds. I have no time limit on when I'm losing that 100 pounds. It's just when I hit it. You know, it's just a goal I'm striving for. If you also have any goals, I would love for you to subscribe so we can keep each other, what's the word I'm looking for? We can hold each other accountable about hitting our goal. Or if you just want to follow me along to see how my journey is gonna go, the subscribe button, it's free. But I'll catch y'all in my next video. It's almost 2 o'clock in the morning. I have to work tomorrow, so I'm calling it quits. I'm probably gonna start editing, because that's how it goes if we try to make content. So thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you leave a like, a comment, and make sure you are subscribing to follow me along the journey, because this will be a journey, I can tell. But I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Thank you all for watching.